Welcome to an introduction to the basics of taxonomy and botany. Taxonomy is the system by which organisms are classified and named. In biology, there are 8 main taxonomic ranks: domain, kingdom, division, and this would be phylum in zoology, but it's different for botany. Class, order, family, genus, and species. There are 3 domains: archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. These domains are distinguished by differences in cellular structure. Bacteria possess a peptidoglycan layer and lack nuclei and other membrane-bound organelles that eukaryotes have. Archaea are very similar to bacteria, but their cell walls do not contain peptidoglycan, and they have ribosomes that more closely resemble eukaryote ribosomes. The plant kingdom belongs to eukarya, along with other kingdoms such as animals, fungi, protozoa, and chromista. There are 3 plant divisions: Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, and Spermatophyta. These 3 divisions are distinguished by their vascular systems and how they reproduce. Bryophytes reproduce through Antheridia and Archegonia. This is the division of liverworts and mosses. They lack vascular structures to transport water and require water for fertilization, making them limited in size and very dependent on a wet environment. Pteridophytes reproduce through a series of alternating haploid, gametophyte, and diploid sporophyte generations, and share many reproductive elements with the bryophyte. The biggest distinguishing factor is that pteridophytes have a vascular system to transport water, which allows them to grow to greater size. This is the division of ferns and horsetails. Spermatophytes reproduce through cones or flowers, and are the only one of these divisions that doesn't require water to be fertilized. Spermatophyta is further divided into gymnospermatophyta and angiospermatophyta, cone-bearing versus flower-bearing plants. Gymnospermatophyta contains 3 classes: Coniferales, also called Pinales, which have needles, Cicadeales, which have compound leaves, and Ginkgoales, which have fan-shaped leaves. Angiospermatophyta contains 2 classes, Dicotyledonnae and Monocotyledonnae. The terms monocot and dicot refers to whether the plant embryo has 1 cotyledon or 2, but they are also distinguished by structural differences in the arrangement of their vascular systems, including the fact that dicots have taproots, one main root the others branch off of, and monocots do not. Monocot leaves have parallel veins, while dicot veins branch. Also, only dicots are capable of producing true bark. There are over 600 plant families in existence, which contain more plant genuses and species than I could possibly go over. But if you'd like to learn more, I encourage you to watch my video, Botany Basics, for 7 plant families that I find useful to know.